If you've ever uploaded a picture on Threads and wanted to shout out the people in it, this is for you. I'll walk you through how to tag accounts step by step. So just like on Instagram, Threads now lets you tag other users in your photos. It's not just about giving credit, it's also great for connecting your content to others and showing collaboration or just having fun with your friends online. So open Threads and tap the post icon either by hitting the plus symbol or at the top here where it says what's new. I can go directly to my photos and find a photo that I'm wanting to tag someone in. Click on the photo and then hit done. And then on the bottom left corner here, you can see there's a little icon to tag people. And then just tap on the photo to tag someone. Now in here, all you have to do is search for the username that you want to tag. So when you have found the username, click on the profile, click done, and that's it. The tag is added, post it, and they will be notified.